Look at that leg there. Look at this leg. Okay.
Man of God, he's saying he really struggles to walk. He cannot lean on this leg, so he limps slowly along. The doctors are saying it is cancer, man of God.
If you can see the picture on the wall, the leg is swollen and it's got some scales. It's scaly and it's producing pus. It's oozing pus. And you wouldn't be able to reproduce this, to make the leg swell, to make it swelly, and to make it come out pus. It's impossible to fake this.
Man of God, this gentleman says he believes there is no one else that has anything to offer. For 3 years, he has been seeking scientific medical attention. He has been to traditional healers. He has been to various other sect prophets with no improvement on this leg. And he says, I believe this is my final stop. The gentleman you see in your picture has a hip fracture. Just sitting, putting weight on his hips like he's doing now was a total impossibility. But the peace of God has come upon this place. No one told him to sit, but he could feel the peace surrounding this place. And it told him to sit like he's doing. How do you explain this, people of God? How do you explain this?
Now, please give him a chair. Give him a chair. God has already started something. I like his faith. Now, let me finish with my gentleman here. Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
do you want to be healed?
That's why I'm here, sir.
That's why you're here.
Awira pano izvozvo baba ndatambura kwemakore nemakore. Iri kunyanya kurwadza kuti kandikatsika ndotadza kufamba.
Mutadza kufamba.
This man here, for more than 3 years, he has been in agony. I'm asking him, what were you feeling as the man of God was moving his own leg? And he says, I felt as if something was dropping from this leg. And his surprise is just to be able to walk from where he was to here in such a short space of time and pain-free. He just cannot believe what is happening to him now. Matudi? He's saying his movements were very slow. His leg was in extreme pain for over 3 years. The man of God stretched his leg there a few seconds, and peace has come upon this man. We can celebrate Jesus. We can celebrate Jesus. People of God, this is a man who has been everywhere. Vataura pachikuru anzi munongoziva zvemunhu kana ukarwara unoedza zvose hakuna kwanisina kuenda. He has been everywhere. He has seen men of God. He has seen traditional healers. He has seen, you can imagine, medical doctors. But nobody was able to come up with a solution.
Sir, you are healed. Come. You are healed. Come.
Look at the way that he walks.
Go and sit.